Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo. Please don't hesitate to call the WebWorks team if you are having problems. Pages can have different functions. This is a brief summary of these functions. Page Summaries gives you a list of any pages that fall directly beneath this page. The summary lists excerpts from all the sub-pages listed below this page. Table of Contents gives you a list of pages that fall directly beneath this page. Search Results. If you provide a search on your site, you must generate a search page to accommodate the feedback of that search facility. Image Gallery. When a page is converted to an image gallery, the images you upload here is automatically generated into a gallery. Forms. If you required a page to have a form on it, you must turn that page function into a form page. News. Any page placed under a news page is automatically fed into the news scroll or news listing. Privacy. If you turn on a page's privacy, that page on your website will automatically ask the viewer for username and password.